Hey everybody! If you're looking out to download Pubg Battlegrounds game on your device for free, in today's video we are going to provide you with step-by-step guide for that, which is pretty easy and simple. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, what you may do is you can head over, go to a browser and download Steam and directly open up Steam on your particular device. So on Steam, you can directly find Pubg. It is free. You do not need to go to any other site, or you can directly head over to the official site as well. For now, let's head over to Steam and you can directly type in Pubg here and hit enter. And there we go. You can see all the Pubg games are free here. We have the free mark here. So you can just go and click on that particular game that you would like to download. And you can look out for the visuals of the game here, like what kind of game it is, what levels there are, and all the visuals and graphics available. Similarly, you can even look out for the description available. Once you check it out, what you can do is you can basically look out for to play the game. So you can add this game to your library. You can directly add the game, and once it is added, you just need to go over to your library and look out for your Pubg. Once it is done, just go over and click on this option called download, and once it is you click on it, it should start downloading, and you just need to go over and start it up. And remember, you need to have free disk space for that. Once you confirm it up, the Pubg will be downloaded on your device. You just need to go over and do so, and that is how you basically play the Pubg on your device. So we hope this video was helpful. You can log in with your account once it is done. So give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.